In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo gallery in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, scrollable grid of images that look great and are easy to manage. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Inside the blank page, use the slash command. Type /, then type gallery. From the options that appear, choose Gallery View. This sets up a gallery database, which is perfect for displaying photos as visual cards. With the gallery created, add your first photo entry by clicking New Page inside the gallery. That opens a card as its own page. At the top, click Add Cover to give this card a visual thumbnail. Next, click Change to choose the specific image you want. In the image picker, you'll see different sources. Click the Gallery tab if you want to browse available images. If you prefer to use your own photo, click Upload and select a file from your device. You can switch back to Gallery and select an image there as well. Use whichever source fits your needs. Once your image is selected, it becomes the page cover and the thumbnail that will represent this card. Add another photo to build out the grid. Back in the gallery, click New Page again. Open it, click Add Cover, and select an image just like before. Keeping consistent dimensions and quality across images will make your gallery feel more polished. Now, let's fine-tune how the gallery displays. Open the gallery settings, look for Card Preview, and choose Page Cover. This ensures the image you set as the cover becomes the thumbnail you see in the grid, which is ideal for a photo gallery. While you're in Settings, adjust card size. Select Large for a more visual, immersive layout that lets your photos stand out. Larger cards are great when you want the images to be the focus and make browsing more enjoyable. From here, keep adding new pages for each photo, repeating the same add cover step so every card has a strong visual. If a photo crops oddly, try a different image or adjust your source image's aspect ratio before uploading for a better fit. Aim for clear, well-lit images and moderate file sizes so your gallery loads quickly and looks crisp. That's it. Your Notion photo gallery is live, with covers as previews and large cards for maximum impact. Keep building it out and enjoy a beautiful, organized space for your images.